koi came out. There's the koi. There's the koi, guys. What is up, guys, and welcome back. I've actually got some bad news regarding the pond. But first, we gotta go inside and take care of some other fish that we got inside in some aquariums. Stay tuned. So here's my cichlid tank. Water's a lot clearer than it was a week ago, but it's still got a little haze to it. About to do a water change. We just got done feeding them. Gonna change the water here. So we got 2 blood parrots. The blood parrots are actually getting pretty big, especially the one. And then I have another black salty in here. I'm probably gonna remove the black salty. I think the bioload's a little high in here, and he creates a lot of waste, obviously. So we might take him to the pond. Got 2 cories, which we're probably gonna get rehomed. The cichlids haven't really been picking on them, but I'm worried that they might start. Those convict cichlids are pretty aggressive. And I also have a pleco in here somewhere. But yeah, this tank, I love this tank. We just put in some little terracotta pots to give them some caves and stuff for hiding. They seem to like it, the smaller cichlids and the cories. Yeah, so we're gonna do a water change, get this situated. I think after one more water change, it should be pretty clear. I actually had a little nitrate spike in here, which I'm not crazy about. So here's what I tested. As you can tell, that's pretty red. The nitrates are high. Nitrites are good, which is what would be really bad. We don't want that to be red. Those are pretty high though. That's pretty much off the charts. Gotta get those nitrates down. Happy that it's not the nitrates, because nitrates will kill fish. Nitrates, not so bad, but still not good. So the easiest way to get the nitrates down is just do a water change. I did a water change about a week ago, so it's pretty much time to do another one anyway. Hopefully after that, nitrates go down a little bit, and then we'll just keep kind of monitoring it for the next couple of weeks, make sure it doesn't get crazy high. I think removing that black salty will probably do a lot for that too, because he's, like I said, he creates a huge bioload, a lot of waste. You know, goldfish, they're messy. So he is probably gonna get moved to the pond. Can't really move him today, maybe possibly later today, because it's been it was kind of cool last night and the water's way colder out there. I don't want to like put him in, he'll get like temperature shock. So not gonna do that yet. If the sun comes out and the water heats up, maybe we'll do it today, but if not, we'll just wait till a nice sunny day for that water to heat up out there. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna do a quick water change here, and then we're going back outside to look at the pond. It's been raining a lot, so I'm letting some water out. As you can tell, the water's pretty high back there. Just using my little vacuum thing, little siphon, letting it out. The fish are all doing good except for one guy, the new guy. So yeah, guys, my last video you saw that I caught that really big black salty that someone must have had for bait, let go in that pond. Got really big, thought it was a carp, ended up it wasn't a carp, it was a black salty, which I actually have 3 black salties in there right now. And you know, I kept it, I put it in there, and it was doing good, it was eating, loving life, but poor buddy must not have been too happy, because he actually jumped out of the pond and he wasn't found until it was too late. And I freaking hate that it happened. You know, it sucks because I kept him. I mean, technically he's an invasive species, so I mean, he not so bad that I took him out of that pond, but I hate that that was the end result of his life. There's other places I could have put him, other ponds and stuff. You know, I think he might have just been a little too big for it. He also was used to being in that big pond, and I think with all the rain we've been getting, water level's been going up on the pond, and I think he just wanted to, he jumped to see if there was more room, I guess, and meant his demise. So yeah, I actually had one of these other black salties jump out before. They don't tend to jump a lot, but sometimes they do. One of the smaller guys jumped out, and I happened to find him like within like probably a couple minutes of him jumping out. He hasn't jumped out since. I've been keeping the water level lower. I'm actually letting some water out right now. I think I might get like a little mesh or something for it, just because I don't want to lose any more fish. But yeah, he actually jumped out and was found like clear over here. Freaking sucks. These other black salties, actually all these fish have grown in a week. Everything's gotten bigger. The goldfish have gotten bigger. The black salties have gotten a lot fatter, a lot bigger. I think the koi's even got a little bigger. The koi is always hiding though, especially after the black salty, the big black salty jumped out. They were like buds. They became friends very quick. The koi like never jumps. He was actually in a 20-gallon tank for a while without a lid. He was way too big for it. He never jumped out. Koi's actually hiding right there. He'll come out. For some reason, he acts like he hates people now, but he loved us when he was in a tank. As you can see, the algae bloom is doing well. We got a good algae bloom. Just check the nitrates and nitrites. They're all really low. Everything's going great for this pond. Sorry about the cars. A lot of traffic behind me here at my house. But yeah, I mean, everybody else is happy. These goldfish I bought at a pet store for like 25 cents or something. They're growing. They're getting good. This is a fantail that I had in a fish tank. He's doing well. The big salties, or the black salties, are doing well. They're growing. Hopefully one of them grows as big as the one I lost. I think I showed you guys this or not. Solar fountain. It's very cloudy today. So solar fountain's not doing too good, but when it's sunny, this thing, I mean, it'll shoot like probably like that high. Yeah, I mean, it'll shoot like, I don't know, you know, like over a foot and a half for sure. It does well. Got the bubbles, got the sponge filter. Everything's doing well other than that guy jumping out. I think this is a good amount of fish for here. So right now I have eight total fish in here. The koi has potential to get very large. The goldfish obviously can get pretty big. So this is probably what I'm gonna go with. I'm probably just gonna go with this amount, let them grow up, and just go from there, and eventually have a bigger pond that I can relocate these guys when they get huge, move other fish in, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, super bummed that guy jumped out, man. He was cool. Hopefully I can get those black salties to get just as big. Really want a big one. I want to get like a huge, like 200-gallon home aquarium, have like a giant fish swimming around. I think it'd be pretty cool. Because I actually have 2 aquariums with no fish in them right now. I have a 20-gallon long, and then I have a 10-gallon. So I obviously can't put anything too big in those aquariums. But comment below, let me know what fish you want me to go ahead and stock those tanks with. I'm thinking about doing guppies and mollies, potentially trying to breed the guppies with the mollies and getting muppies or gallies or whatever you want to call them, which that's actually doable. That's a thing that you can do. I think that'd be pretty cool. I might actually try to do that. I'm not really sure. So comment below, let me know what you want to see me put in those tanks. Also, I think we build another pond. Now it's getting a little late in the year to do so, but I still might do it. It is like September 10th or something right now, September 11th. I'm not really sure. I think September 11th. I want to build a bigger pond. I might wait till the spring, or I might just go ahead and freaking do it. Like, who knows? Also, comment below, let me know what you want to see in that pond. I'm actually thinking about getting something big enough to put some like bluegill and some bass, stuff like that, but who knows? Who knows? Might just do koi. Comment below, let me know what you guys want to see for that. Still letting water out slowly. I could just take a bucket too, probably, but we'll keep it slow. Feed these guys a little bit real quick. I wonder if the koi is gonna come out. Koi's been hiding. Everything else, there he is. He might come out. Come on, come eat. It's real spooky for some reason. Ever since I put him in here, he's been spooky. He eats. He's eating good, but he won't do it when I'm near him. I'm gonna back up a little bit. See if he'll come out. Everything else is eating. Everything else is eating though. And those black salties are getting big. Even those goldfish, those are just little like feeder goldfish that are like 3.5, 4 inches long now. They're getting big. They're like an inch when I put them in. Koi came out. There's the koi. There's the koi, guys. He just ate some. He came up and ate. I don't know why he's so spooky anymore. We'll get him used to us again. He loved me when he was in the fish tank. Yeah, he's got a long tail. He's probably like 10 inches long, but I mean a lot of it's tail. But he's a good sized koi. He'll eventually outgrow this. That is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.